Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking the core purpose so every slide earns its place. State one clear message, then pick 3 supporting points. This prevents wandering. Once done, map the audience, what they already know and what they must walk away with. Make sure to set the time limit and pick a consistent visual theme, color, font, and 16:9 ratio. Now take the first actionable steps. Create a single outline, title slide, and a working slide template so the build can start immediately. You now move into detailed execution. Design each slide for instant comprehension. Limit text with the 6x6 rule and craft one strong headline that ties back to your core message. Once done, reduce clutter by pairing each idea with a single visual, an icon, one chart, or one photo so viewers process faster. Make sure to use consistent spacing and contrast. That improves readability. Finally, rehearse transitions out loud and time each section so pacing matches audience expectations. You finish by polishing delivery and protecting the presentation. Start with 3 timed rehearsals. Record 1 run so you can audit pacing and remove filler. Once done, export a PDF backup and copy files to a USB. Test the projector, sound, and remote control before you walk on stage. Make sure to prepare slide notes and a brief script for Q&A. If something goes wrong, breathe, switch to the PDF backup, and continue. The audience responds to calm confidence more than perfect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.